Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this somewhat colorful, fun, neutrally makeup that's somewhat beginner friendly. There's no liner. You could do no lashes too if you want to, but there's no liner, no cut crease. And I put on these lashes, but you could do no lashes if you want to, just mascara. And yeah, I'm pretty much happy with how my results turned out. I think everything looks good. It looks blended, it looks wearable. So I was really skeptical about using my Morphe foundation because I still feel like that's not the right color for me. But as far as like what I'm seeing on camera and what I'm seeing in my little compacts over here, everything looks good. So thank God everything turned out as good as it did. And yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'm just gonna say like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified every time I post a video. Follow me on social media, Shiley1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Shiley1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And if you guys want to see how I completed this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. I have my lashes. I'm holding my hair down in place. Hopefully this is the last time you guys see a tutorial or a video with a do-rag on, because fingers crossed I'll have a hair appointment next week. So stay tuned for that. Take my NYX Ultimate palette in brights. I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 brush. That's this brush. It's a fluffy brush. I cannot get this stain out of here, but just know that this brush is clean. I'm gonna take this dusty rosy color right here, the pinky, that dark pink one. I'm gonna make that our transition color. I'm actually gonna take this Ulta Beauty lip mask, and it's the one that looks like this. Now I'm gonna take my Ulta Beauty Tinted Flower Balm. That's the one with the little flower on the inside. Then I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm gonna take this eye blender brush, which is basically like a fluffy blending brush from Essence Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go into this brown shade in the Zulu palette, and we're gonna put that directly below that. I don't think that's what color I use, because that's not coming up the same. We're gonna put that directly below that pink we used. We're gonna have to do some further investigating, because this don't look like it's it. Then I'm gonna take my Morphe 35M palette. It's the Boss Smooth palette. And I'm gonna take this Morphe M507 brush. It's a detailed and good brush. And I'm gonna go into Sparks Fly, which is this rich brown color down here. And that's gonna go in our crease and our outer V. Okay, then you could use this purple color down here, Grape Expectations, but I feel like I get a better color payoff with my Crayon Case Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. They have a color in here called Violet, and it's just like this velvety, smooth purple color, and it's like bright purple. So I'm gonna go with that one. I'm just gonna pick it up with my finger. put that on my lid. You guys see how vibrant that is? Like, come on. Okay, you could leave it like this if you want to, but I'm gonna actually make mine more neutral. I'm gonna go back into my Boss Smooth palette and I'm gonna pick up Sheen Stealer, which is this color all the way up here at the top. This I don't know how to describe it. I'm actually gonna pick her up with my finger and put her right on. I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and clean up any fallouts. These are just some makeup remover wipes I got from BJ's. I'm gonna take my Ulta Beauty Ultimate Lashes Mascara. I'm not gonna do too much because of course I'm putting on false lashes, but if you want, you can leave it like that. But I'm not that girl anymore. I used to just wear my regular lashes to work with just mascara. I don't do that anymore. That's a thing of the past for me. Like, I put lashes on every day. I do makeup now. I don't feel comfortable wearing my natural lashes. But you could totally just leave it right here if you want to. It's all up to you. I'm going to take my favorite eyelash adhesive at the moment, at least. This is my I Envy by Kids Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive, and these are my iconic Chic lashes in iconic Chic lashes in number 4. Take my fingers, because I've had accidents with these tweezers, especially the kind like this, and just pinch your lashes, pinch the false lashes with the real lashes. Okay, then we're gonna take a break from the eyes. I'm gonna take something I haven't used in a really long time, and I don't know why I've strayed away from this, but one of my favorites of all time is this Pond's Dry Skin Cream. The foundation I want to use today, so I guess I'm gonna take this Morphe F14 Matte Foundation. Put it all over my face. Then I'm gonna take a damp beauty sponge. Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. I'm gonna put like 2. Like that much on the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna take my FitMe, Maybelline FitMe Medium Deep Powder. And that's like this rich banana powder. And then I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish and Medium Dark. Mineralize Skin Foundation, I'm sorry. And that's just a slightly darker color. And I like to mix the two to get my favorite shade to set my under eye with. So I'm just tapping my beauty sponge into that MAC first. Then I pat the excess on the back of my hand. press it into the skin. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with that Maybelline. Pick it up with my beauty sponge. Pat the excess on the back of my hand. Just to give it like, I like mixing them because it gives it a brighter finish. Repeat the process on the rest of my face and I'll come back. Take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C15. And then I just take my beauty sponge and blend everything out. We still using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. And I'm still using Tan, which is this color right here, featuring Hollow if we need her. I'm gonna take this E.L.F. face sculpting brush. Start off with Tan. I wanted to use this brush, but this brush is a little stiff for me. So I'm gonna go into my favorite brush to use for this, which is this AOA Studio F14 brush. I try and stray away from her, but she's just so good to me. Yes, honey. Look at the difference. I don't think we're gonna need Hollow. A break from the face for right now. We're gonna go back into the eyes. And I'm going to take a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. Line my waterline and my lower lash line. To the NYX Ultamate palette that we started with, go back into that pink, that dark pink, and use that to smoke out my bottom lash line. Go back into this Juvia's Place Zulu palette, take a little bit of this pink, just a little bit. See how I tapped all that on there just now? Tap off the excess. Right on the apples of your cheeks. I was about to take this Essence Get Big Lashes mascara and put 2 coats on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna take this E.L.F. highlighting brush and I'm gonna take this MAC Global Glow. This is a mineralized skin finish. Tap off any excess. This Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter. Rub my brush against the whole thing. Tap off any excess. This is a concealer brush, but this is just the tiniest brush I have. And I'm gonna put the Honor Roll highlighter on my inner corner and highlight my brow bone. That with my finger. Carefully. Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner in dark brown. And then I'm gonna take this, it doesn't even have the logo on here anymore. But I'm gonna take this Crayon Case lip gloss in Private Party. Ruby Kisses Menthol Lip Salvation in clear. It's just a clear gloss. You guys know I do that to get make sure lip gloss doesn't get on my teeth. Then I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild, no, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. I guess I'm not. This is an empty. Then I'm gonna take my NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And I literally like bathed in it. Take a setting sponge and just press that in all over. Okay, so that's the completed look, you guys. I'm pretty happy with the results. I mean, he would want to back his card up now. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the results. Glad how everything turned out. Everything looks like blended and matchy. Especially, I was real skeptical about using my Morphe foundation because I still don't feel like that's the right color for me. But I mean, it's turning up like it looked good on camera, so it can't be but so bad. But yeah, I actually have another video to do, so I'm not gonna ramble too much. Comment, subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, Shiley1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Shiley1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.